Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can sign out of your Workona account in the Workona browser extension. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to the Workona browser extension in your web browser. I will go with Google Chrome. And there's actually one way how you can sign out, but you can also do something optionally or additionally. Let me show you. So to sign out, simply click into your profile icon here and select Logout. And after that, you will be redirected to that login page. What I usually do as well, guys, whenever I log out of my Workona account is I also turn it off in my browser extensions. I don't uninstall it or remove it because I use that extension for various projects, but I turn it off, for example, whenever I log in with another Google account. I don't use Workona with. So to do that, click into, for example, from Google Chrome, click into that extensions button here in that menu, click into manage extensions. And here, guys, simply turn off the Workona tab manager instead of removing it. Just turn it off here. And next time, whenever you want to use it, simply enable it back again. And here in the login page, log in with your account. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.